Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this video can save you from a big fraud. This video can save you from a great trouble, right? Which might come in your way. May God protect you from every bad thing, from evil eye, right? Or from the fraudsters and their fraudulent activities and all that. Well, there is a very common scam which is going on. You will see that on social media that they are offering IELTS tests and they say we have discount vouchers for you. This has been going on for quite some time, right? For example, whatever the IELTS test fee is, they give you the quotation and that is 10 to 20% less than the normal fee, and they say we will give you this discount voucher, and once you buy this discount voucher you will get discount. We've got contact with British Council, IDP, Cambridge, and they give us these discount vouchers so you can have reduced fee. Let me tell you, whenever you guys show your greediness, there is going to be someone who is going to cheat you, right? So, as long as greedy people are alive, cheaters will not die of hunger, okay? Yes, exactly. So, this scam has, many of my students, they've been through this scam and later on, they were unable to book their test and the money was gone and all that stuff. So this is a very common scam. Beware of that. Second scam, they offer you a package. They offer you a job in Australia, job in England, job in Canada, and they say, well, it's the part of the package. We will arrange your IELTS test. We will pay the fee for your IELTS exam. You don't have to pay, and we will book your IELTS exam, but there is this package in dollars. You have to pay this much amount. That is for your work permit, that is for your IELTS, and we will take care of each and everything, and you don't have to worry about that. And then you are like, okay, by paying $5,000, if I get work permit, if they're going to arrange for my IELTS, and sometimes they go one step ahead. They say, we will clear your IELTS as well. Don't worry. All fake and fraud. Once you pay the money, they start blackmailing you and they try to get more money out of you. And when you refuse to pay, they are gone for good and you are just there. One of my students from India, he lost Indian 300,000 rupees and that was the money of his father. His father had given him that money for his foreign studies and he wasted 300,000, 3 lakhs, okay? So be very, very careful. Now, let's proceed. I'm telling you all these scams, I promised you, and I'm telling you, these scams are just, scam is something which is not real, which seems to be real, but which is not real. You will see this advertisement on Instagram and Facebook that there is a beautiful girl and she's holding IELTS certificates. Like, Chinese fan, she's holding IELTS certificates and they say, okay, you can purchase IELTS certificate of 6 band, 7 band, 8 band. And even they have the cards where they show they are the employees of British Council, IDP and Cambridge and all that. There are the pictures and all that, okay? Many of students, many of my subscribers, they have fallen prey to them as well, right? And many students shared this story. Even one of my students became suicidal. She said, sir, they are blackmailing me. They are telling me that they are going to complain against me in CIA and all that. And then I calmed her down and I said they cannot do anything. They only blackmail to get more money out of you. So this is also a scam. Number one, they don't have any access to Cambridge University's IELTS data. Come on, guys. It's not a child's play. IELTS is recognized all over the world and you can breach into their database and you can change the result. And they also promise that if you have taken IELTS already, we can change the results, okay? So this is all scam. They will get, and they will say initially we will demand half of the money. You will be very happy, okay, they are only demanding half. Once you pay half of the money, they will say one of our partners, he is saying, no, first you pay the full amount. So in order to pay your half amount, you will pay the next amount as well. And this is how they trap you. Fraudsters always trap like that. They just get half money, and once you pay half money, you are stuck. Then they will say, give me more money, then I'll do your work. Otherwise, I'll not be responsible. So I've not seen anybody getting this TRF. And even if you get it, it's fake. It's 100% fake. It's Photoshop. So please be aware of that. Now, let's go into another scam which is going on with computer delivered IELTS. And what is that? I mean, Cambridge, British Council, IDP, if I know it, they know that as well. I'm nobody. My students told me that, sir, in town, they are offering that they will clear listening, reading, writing in computer delivered IELTS, and they are not responsible for speaking. We have to clear speaking on our own, but listening, reading and writing, they have performers sitting. Now, what happens? For computer delivered IELTS, there are some remote testing centers. Like they have given some people this authority that, okay, you can conduct IELTS test at your place as well. So there what happens, they have such softwares where the person who is solving the test is not the person who is sitting on the computer, right? Listening test is going on, right? So there is a performer who is sitting somewhere, maybe in his house. Through that software, he is solving listening test, and that student who is the candidate, he's only just, pressing the buttons and all that stuff. So this has been going on, and I've seen students who've paid huge amount for this, but when they went for their speaking test and the speaking band score did not match with their listening, reading, writing band score, their results were withheld and tests were cancelled and all that. Okay, now they will not take any responsibility. I mean, it's not like you say Cambridge, British Council or IDP's responsibility to save you from fraudulent people or activities. You need to save yourself. So this is also something which has been going on, right? And in speaking, again, I've seen students, I mean, whenever I ask them, like, my students are so sincere with me. They trust me. Whenever something goes wrong, they immediately inform me. The other day, someone called me and said, sir, I'm unable to get my result, right? And I asked him, did you do anything wrong? He said, no, sir. My friends have got their results. When I was going to the coaching center, there everybody's got the result, but I didn't get the result. Then I asked him again, please do tell me if you did anything wrong. So then one told me, like on exam day, there was this guy who told me 10 right answers in listening module, and he said, well, this is the answer key I have purchased, so you can write these 10 answers. This is the answer to question number 1 to 10. And he said, I wrote all these answers and now I don't get the result and all that stuff. So they are not, they are not this much innocent that anybody can come and breach into IELTS or tamper this test and all that stuff. So be careful with all these scams. The purpose of making this video is to save you. I mean, once your money is spent in the wrong activities and you don't get your IELTS done, all your future plans, all your dreams will be crushed. You will not be able. I know this student of mine who lost his father's 300,000 rupees, right, just in the name of IELTS. And he said, how will I answer my father? He gave me his ATM card and he gave me the application of his bank and all that stuff, and I wasted his money and all that stuff. So please be careful. Let me tell you, if you work hard, right, if you take IELTS properly, there is no problem. By fair means, you can get your desired band. And I've got an example where one student, he passed IELTS from one center, and after 3 years, they discovered that center was like, there were some bugs in that center. Bugs mean the audio devices, and the whole center cheated. All the candidates cheated there. So, they cancelled the IELTS result, and wherever that IELTS result went, even they cancelled the nationality of some people who had achieved the nationality after 3-4 years. I still remember that, okay? So be careful if you're going to do anything. And one more thing, when you get fake IELTS certificate, if you pay the money and you get IELTS certificate from anyone, let me tell you, if your IELTS certificate is sent by British Council, IDP, if it is posted by them, only then it is real. And if someone else is posting you your IELTS certificate, right, that is not the real one, okay, that is fake one, and you cannot present fake certificate to anyone. Like one of my students, subscribers, she presented that fake certificate and she was banned for 3 years. 3 years from that country, right? Like, I mean, you can see the penalty is 3 years of your life. If you are 24, you'll be 27. If you're 27, you'll be 30. And this is how you are going to compromise with your dreams. And in the end, you will only repent. You will only feel sad and all that. So the first thing, I request you all to share this video with others so that they get to know about it. And please be careful with all these things. But if you get involved in any of these things, then do let me know and I'll make another video, okay? I just tell my students, don't get involved in fraudulent activities. But if you do so and you waste your money, please do let me know. I will make a video, and that is going to be an awareness. That is going to be a video to aware others, right? Awareness sort of video where others will get to know and they will not do that mistake again, okay? All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online in-campus IELTS classes, we offer IELTS test booking service. We provide IELTS preparation plans before exam. These plans are not guesswork, but they are for preparation. If you want to get these study plans, we offer listening, reading, writing, speaking study plans separately, so you can contact us for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck, and may God save you from the fraudsters and swindlers as well. May you get your desired band. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.